Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Children, have you completed your posters?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning to all of you. Have you completed your posters, children?
Yes, ma'am, I have completed.
Very nice. Adrika, your poster was very nice, very beautiful. Exactly how I wanted it to be.
Thank you, ma'am.
Just 4 children. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ma'am, I think time for the meeting.
Yes?
Ma'am, is there was some network issues on your side?
Yes, there is
Good morning.
terrible network issue today. Good morning, Pratishtha. Good morning. All right. So, how many posters have we made so far? One.
Ma'am, only 6 students.
Ma'am, I have made it.
No, we have just made one poster. No, till now we have just made one chart paper. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to be ready with our second one. Everybody go and get your second chart paper.
Ma'am, I am not having second.
Do you have an art sheet, beta?
Ma'am, art copy.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, I am having.
Go and get that. Hurry up, go and get that.
I am taking the picture of my drawing notebook.
Okay. So now what you have to do is divide your notebook into 4 parts. We are going to draw 4 types of pollution. What are the 4 types of pollution that we studied? Air,
Air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, and
land
soil pollution.
Yes. So on page number 130, everybody open page number 130.
Yes, ma'am, open.
Can you see these 4 pictures that are given?
Yes, ma'am, DIY.
Yes, DIY, do it yourself. You have to draw these pictures in a very big size in your art sheet. Divide your art sheet into 4 blocks. Give the heading types of pollution. Draw it and name each type of pollution. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very good. I hope it is clear to all of you. Anyone who has joined the class late and doesn't know what is to be done?
Ma'am,
Yes.
what we are doing?
We are doing some drawing work, beta. Bring your art file. You've got art sheets, any drawing book or any chart paper, anything. From your social studies book, page number 130, you have to draw these 4 types of pollutions which are given in DIY. And your drawing should be big, very big in size, as big as it can be on the art sheet.
Ma'am, the page number?
Page number of your book is 130.
Ma'am, ST book.
Yes, beta, SST book.
Ma'am, can I draw in this manner?
Yes, beta, you can draw. Do you think it will look better this way? Do you think so?
Ma'am, this way. Ma'am,
All right, draw it this way. Do it this way, beta.
Ma'am?
No problem. Yes.
Ma'am, page number 366.
130.
Ma'am, in our second chart paper, ma'am, we have to divide it into 4 parts, ma'am. First, we have to draw vertical line, then a horizontal.
Yes, that is how it will be divided, no?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, please repeat the page number once again.
Page number 130 of your social studies book.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you being able to do it, children? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
It's easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody who has joined late and wants to know what is being done in class, beta, please ask, but don't sit idle in class.
Ma'am, this poster also we can send till 4.
Will you be able to do it in one class today?
Yes, ma'am,
No,
it's
ma'am.
easy.
All right, those who will do it, it's wonderful. You can send it today. And the ones who are not able to do, you can send it on Monday.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Then what we are doing, tell me because I have disconnected.
Okay, beta Imad, open your social studies book, page number 130. There are 4 pictures given, small pictures in the DIY activity. So what you're supposed to do, you are supposed to draw these different types of pollutions on a chart paper or in your art file. In your art, you have a drawing copy. In that art sheet, just draw these 4 pictures. Divide your page into 4 blocks. Put the heading types of pollution and start doing this work.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, like this, I have made it for air pollution.
Wonderful, beta. Very nice.
Ma'am, in soil pollution, ma'am, for soil pollution, can we make by our own?
Yes, you can.